Hey, hello YouTube, what's going on? So, in today's video, I like to let you guys know where I believe Bitcoin is going. I am not sure why everyone is worried or freaking out. Like, this is like not a big deal at all. I've been waiting on this for like a while. So I'll show you guys my support levels. They're very simple, very easy to follow. It's right here, main support 50 56, 57, basically 56 is where I believe Bitcoin could go. If we lose this level, well, yeah, we're going to 50. There's no question about that. If we lose this level, we're going to 50. Everyone keeps saying 60K, 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 but 60K is actually not the true support. It is a strong support, but it's not the support. My main support would be right here. Why this support is the main support at 56, right? It's because it's a trend directional reversal, meaning we were going over here, up here, main resistance I have, came down, up, and came down, and then from there we've been going up. So this is very powerful. The whoever bought here is very powerful enough to completely change the direction of the trend. So these guys here are more stronger than the 60. I know 60 is the psychological level and such, but it is a strong support too, as you can clearly see. But it's if we lose that, it's not that big a deal for me. I'm actually thinking more like down here is where I would look to buy my main support. It's very simple to see what where Bitcoin's gonna go. The way I find my supports are basically I use Icon candles. These are regular candles. Icon candles right here allows me to find trend reversals areas a lot easier. As again, this is a strong support, but to me, it's a higher low from this right here up, right here, and no, it's more interested in down here than up here, really. But I would still buy it 60. You could still have a bounce right here. Um, then you have 50. Um, believe it or not, 50 is a good support too, but yeah. Down here, also 38. I know you might think that we could never get down to here, but trust me, you never know. You never know. I've been joining these support lines for a while, and you'd be surprised how much they actually come down to these levels. You'd be very surprised. You'd be thinking that would never happen. We'd never come down to here. And look at this. I drew this support so long ago, since May. I drew this. No, more like right here. I would say about May 20th. I drew it because it came down to here and he had a major uptrend since right here. So 1, 2, but again, focusing here, we lose one. My support area is right here, right here, right here, and believe it or not, all the way down to 15K. Not gonna happen, but it's where I would buy. I wouldn't buy here. I would nope. Because this is where the trend came down, completely reverse, right there, reverse right there, came down, reverse all the way up, came down, reverse. Oh, this is not good support, but not what I'm looking for. Um, let's see, ES. I'm using a different strategy for ES. But let me see something. It's not what I like to. Yeah. Hold on a second. Let me see. Crypto. Where's ES? I'll forget it. But yeah, I'm not gonna focus on ES because that's not this chart. But that's a quick look on ES and what's going on. It broke. Needs to retest. I don't use icon as a candle for this one. It broke down right here. Now it's gonna retest. If it fails, could come down to here to for next support. But this is not a strategy that I really use, so I don't really care much about it. I just drew it just because I was bored. But it is really good to see the trend. So these are monthly and weekly supports and blah blah blah. But let's focus on crypto. As I said, Bitcoin coming down. Where is it? Yeah, over here. Also drew it on this one here, which is kind of scary. Be honest with you. Because the next support that I have for Bitcoin is actually 56. Kind of funny. I drew these lines. These are, I don't use this strategy much, but it is a strategy that I've seen online. And yeah, you can clearly see we broke this up my support. Now this is not acting as a resistance, so we could come down. So funny enough, to my other strategy, which I said that Bitcoin could come down to, which lines up perfectly down to 56 is where I think it can go. That quick overview of the cryptos. Unfortunately, I think I just got a little screwed because I bought a Shiba Inu. I bought Shiba up here because this was a trend reversal zone. This was a trend reversal zone, which is kind of funny because Bitcoin is tanking, but it's not falling. I bought it right here. Could have set a stop loss, but I'm fine. I'm going to DCA back into this, probably down here as well when it hit that. Because that's the next support that I see. If this new support that it created and that doesn't hold, my next support is all the way down here. Unless it creates a different support. Other than that, we could take a quick trip down. Dogecoin as well. Funny enough that Bitcoin is falling, but this coin is holding up. I bought Dogecoin right here at 12 cents because this was the next support, because if I knew if this support failed, well, we're going back down to 7 most likely. So this is why I believe that this is not falling, because it sold off quite a bit and the support is holding so far. So let's see what happened. Pepe, I haven't bought in Pepe. I'm actually waiting for that. I got support right here, I'm waiting, but its true support is all the way down here. Bunk, I sold my bunk somewhere up here because it was resistance, but bunk, I'm waiting for bunk as well. I got two reversal zones. One was right here. I'm going to add right here, and I'm also do my final add down here, and right here. Support is right here at 120. If this, I think this is going to bounce right here, because if this one fails, we're going back down to 100. And then right here, but as I said, main support, which is not really, it's the main, but the main support is actually down here at $9. But for now, main is about down here. Usually when these stuff start to fall, they do go to their main support. So 82, it could actually fall down to there. These are okay zones, but they're mostly like higher lows. So my main one would be right here, down here at 80. XRP, I don't think I did. I draw XRP? Yeah, XRP came down to my, funny enough, came down to my zone right here, 43. I didn't buy anything. I drew this a long time ago. See, Hikanashi candles over here, came down here. I got another one right here, came down. This one came. This is very powerful though. This is what I like to see with my zone. When it comes down, it just bottom wicks and it takes off. So this is a pretty strong support. But let's see what happens. Next support is down here. And yeah, I don't think I drew anything for Ethereum, did I? Oh, I did. So for Ethereum, I got two supports, 1 and 2, the main support. Okay. Why this is a support level is because it came down, completely changed direction. Now we're up to here. So realistically, these support are not my favorite ones. They're just like there, but I noticed that when a stock is falling, it falls a lot. So I would say main support is down here, but realistically, we could come right down to this level right here. So I'll have to see what happened with Ethereum, but realistically, 28 is where I'm looking for it to come back down to. But yeah, guys, that's about it, really. Just a quick look over some of these stocks over here, which unfortunately a lot of people fall trap into, because I checked my system and a lot of you guys bought calls yesterday for stuff like Mara. I actually have not been buying any stocks. I have not been buying Mara, CleanSpark, or none of it. And the reason is very simple. None of them came down to support levels. They all came down, and in the reverse, did not buy anything. So I would look for 14, but realistically, somewhere down at 7 something, I would hope. If it goes down to there, I'll buy. But its true support is actually all the way down here at $3 and change. Would it go down there? Probably not, but never know. So you could start DCA. I would start DCAing down right here at 14, then add down here, and then add. The further down it goes. Clean Spark also is one of these stuff. I drew this support so long ago, and it's just they never came down to support level, so I never bought. So it's kind of funny that I believe that it's actually going to come down to these support levels now. Finally, let's see. Support right here. I drew this says if this support fails, 650 is next down here. It's possible. So if this fails, but I do believe it's going to bounce here way more likely than to come down to here. But earning is coming up soon too, so you never know. But if this fails, we're going down to here. And these, some of these, I don't really trade this much, but this is really far. Support down here, don't really care. Riot. Again, these lines were drawn a long time ago, guys. Like I drew this like all the way back in April, and they never came back down. But as you can clearly see, also I've been trading sideways since April. In case no one really noticed, we haven't broke out of May, March March highs. We never came up to it. We also never came back to support. So it's funny enough, it looks like we've been trading, but honestly, this thing's been moving sideways this entire time. MSTR, my favorite stock. I've been wanting to get into this one for a minute. Main support down here. I put it down here at 1,000. I just started DCA into it, but I'm only putting $50 a day, $20 a day. I don't mind starting right here. Anything perfectly fine. I start DCAing. I'm gonna DCA it all the way down. Hopefully, main support down here 1,000. We lose 1,000. We'll come down to here. But HUT is very simple. HUT never came back down to here. Waiting for $7. If that fails, most likely gonna come down to $3.57. Coin also haven't been. Coin has 2 minutes support. I don't like having so many supports on my chart, so I'm gonna delete this one right here, and this one is okay. But realistically, down here at 114, it could come back down to here, believe it or not. We haven't broken any highs. Yeah, no. And this one, no chart right here, but this one's kind of interesting because if core fails, core can come all the way back down to $2.50 because that's the actual support. Everything unless it comes down to here and boosts back up to like all the way up here, $17 or so. Until that happens, support is down here. This is where support is. This is where the only place I would ever buy it is down here, 260. You may think it would never happen, but trust me, it could happen. But yeah. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.